Welcome to Nexstar TV, a free resource that uses video tutorials to explain IT topics. My name is Emily, and today's video is Microsoft Office 2010 User Guide Lesson 7, Header and Footer. In this video, I'll be covering how to create headers and footers, header and footer templates, page numbers, and date and time in the header and footer. Okay, let's get started. So today we're going to be under the Insert tab, and we're going to be covering the header and footer functions. So first off, the header is the area at the top of your page that is outside your document margin, and text here is repeated on every page. So an example of this would be your title, or it could be the date. Similarly, the footer is the area at the bottom of your page that is also outside your document margin, and the text that's placed here is also repeated on every page of your document. And an example of this could be your page numbers. To insert a header or footer, you're going to go to the Insert tab, and you'll come over here to your Header or Footer button. Now, the header and footer buttons are laid out exactly the same. It's just a matter of one being in the top of your document and the other being in the bottom of your document. So for this purpose, I'm going to walk you through the header, but everything that we go over would be located in the same place under the footer. Okay, so to insert your header into your document, you'll come over to the Header button, click it, and you'll come down to Edit Header. And you see that brings up a header automatically. And once your header pops up, you'll notice that your document text actually gets gray. And it does this to show you that you won't be editing any of your text. You're only allowed to work up in this top area in your header. It's nice to see your document text because it allows you to space out your header properly based on how your document's laid out. But if for some reason you don't like to look at your document text while working in your header, all you need to do is come up to the top and unclick Show Document Text, and you'll see that the document text is no longer viewable. Now, if you want to exit out of your header, all you need to do is come up to the top and click Close Header and Footer, and that'll bring you right back to your normal document. Now, Word also has a lot of headers and footers already created for your convenience. And to use these header and footer templates, all you need to do is come up to the Insert tab, click your Header button, and you'll see that there's a wide variety of headers already in place that you can just use. And you can just scroll through and see which one fits your needs, and once you select one, all you need to do is click it and it will be inserted into your document automatically. So once you've selected your template, you can just come in here, select the various fields, and edit it as you need to. And by clicking off of the title, you'll see that it shows up normally in your header. Now, if you don't like all aspects of the template that you've created and you want to delete a section of it, all you need to do is highlight the section you'd like to delete, then click the little tab at the top so that way it's all highlighted, and then just click the Delete button, and that'll remove it from your template. And if you'd like to delete everything from your template, all you need to do is go to the Insert tab, go to Header, and remove Header, and that'll delete everything out of your header. I'd also like to quickly cover page number, and it's also in the header and footer section. So if you come up here and click page number, you'll see that Word has numerous page number templates already created for your use. And you'll see that they divide them up by top of page, bottom of page, page margins, and current page. So once you highlight any of these categories, it'll pull up page numbers that are associated with that topic. So top of page will show you page template formats where the page number is at the top of the page. Similarly, bottom of page is all page numbers at the bottom of your page. And current position will highlight page numbers into the current position of your cursor. Another important thing to cover while talking about page numbers is format page numbers. And if you click Format Page Numbers, this will pull up a window that will allow you to choose your number format. So you could do 1, 2, 3, you could do ABC, you could do Roman numerals. And you can also choose which page to start your numbering at. So if you would like to start at page 2 so your cover page is not numbered, you can do this here. And you can also come here and select Include Chapter Number, and this will allow you to do special page number functions for only your heading sections. And you can also choose some specialty such as hyphening, periods, or colon. An additional feature you also want to be aware of is adding the date and time. So if for some reason you wanted to add the date and time to your header or footer, under the Design tab for your header, go over to Date and Time, double click it, and it will pull up a style of dates and times that you can choose from. And while you're doing this, you want to make sure that you click Update Automatically, so this way your date and time will continuously update. Otherwise, if this is unchecked, you'll have a static date, so you'd have to manually update your date and time. And lastly, you can also change header and footer position. And to do this, you'll also go to your Design tab, and you'll notice that you can change the margins for your header and footer, so you can increase it or decrease it here. Thank you for joining Nextara TV for Microsoft Word 2010 User Guide Lesson 7 Header and Footer. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to visit www.nextara.tv for other tutorials or subscribe to our YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/Nextara.